So now let's see how we can work around with base labeling for PDF export inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go to File menu right here, and then I'm going to go around onto Export right here, and then I'm going to select PDF. So once I do that, you can see that I can go around and select out a type of storyboard that I want to export. And to work around with base labeling, you need to go around onto the Edit Profile section right here. So once you go around over here, you can see label is an option. So the base will be displayed out as base, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and then type in something else. So I'm just going to go around, and instead of base, I'm going to go around and say, let's say, for example, document right here. You can say anything that you want. And the title is going to be TutorTube. So let me just go around and type in TutorTube right here. And sequence is SEQ, but let me just add an SQ right here. Scene, I'm going to add an SC, and layout, let's say I'm going to go around and say tutor tube layout right here, just like this. So you can go around, and panel, you can tell it anything you want. So I'm just going to go around and say screen, and transition, let's say for example this is going to be TR right here. That's the duration. So I'm just going to go around and say time, and no panel, I'm going to say error right here. So you can go around and then rename to everything, that is every label, as you want, and you can press OK. And now I'm just going to go around and export this. So I'm just going to go around over here and select out my desktop and hit the save button right here, and then click on export, and then the export is complete over here. So once you do that here, you can see that the scene becomes SC and duration becomes time, and then there's screen right here, time, as you can see, and there's the document, as you can see. Instead of page, you have document, and so forth. So depending on what we renamed it as, you see that this is what you have. And that is how you can work around with base labeling for PDF export inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.